everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make lasagna from sweet plantain lasagna. And another dish that I don't even know how to call it because I thought that was named Mofongo, but it's not. I'm confused. Some people told me that Mofongo that I made previously was not called like that. So this is the Rio Mofongo according to them. So today I'm going to make you the Rio Mofongo with shrimp, and I'm going to make you the sweet plantain lasagna for my friend Rachel again, Raquel. The ingredients for the sweet plantain lasagna are the following. We already have the meat that we made previously on the previous video. We have the chopped meat. We have sauce. I use marinara. I don't know, I like marinara sauce. Mozzarella cheese, Mexican cheese, yellow plantains, sour cream, and butter. Those are the ingredients for this dish. Ingredients for the mofongo are tomato, sauce, cilantro, chicken bouillon, tomato, onion, garlic, red pepper because I love it, celery, green plantains, and you need this tool to mash the green plantains after you fry it. So I'm going to show you how to proceed to make the Rio Mofongo, which I thought it was named differently. I'm going to proceed with the preparation. You boil the plantains until it's soft, with a peel if you want, if you prefer. For me, it's better to boil it with a peel. You gotta mash the garlic very thoroughly. It can be almost dissolved. You can see I'm cleaning the shrimp slowly, taking out the peel. And now we're gonna prepare the shrimp with a little bit of oil. And I mean a little bit. For me it's a little bit, but some people say when I say a little bit, it's a lot. just to make it fun. Okay, we put oil. That's all the ingredients that I showed you before, all chopped up. Put some tomato sauce. The chicken bouillon. Some garlic. See how delicious. Then you add all the shrimp. And you cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. The shrimp is done. You see how delicious it looks. It's done. We let it sit for a little bit here. In the meantime, I'm making some of the shrimp with butter and garlic. This is our sweet plantain boil. Just take the peel. Put it in the container. You can actually see the sweetness coming out. You take those. You take the masher. Take this out, mash it a little bit. Put all the yellow sheets. You can actually put a whole bag of cheese if you, depending how many plantains you have. So it can be cheesier. You can put a little oil in the pan. You put 1 layer of plantain. 1 layer. Just a little bit, not too much. A little bit of salt on the chopped meat. Sour cream. You can't miss. It's almost the same thing as the lasagna, the regular lasagna, but except this is what instead of pasta, it's plantain. We have the oven set for 400. Is what is getting hot. Should be done by now. You set it up while you wait. You cover the whole thing with the plantain until you can't see no more meat. Then you put in the oven for about 15 minutes on 400 degrees. Now we have the plantain fried. We're gonna mash it here. It's kind of similar to the other dish I baked previously. You just gotta mash them all one by one because it's easier to mash, so it can be more soft. Just put a little bit of garlic. A little bit. This is already all mashed up. And now I'm gonna pass it to this one. This one is for my presentation, and this dish was requested by my son Daniel. This is for you, sweetie. Right in there. And this is what we call mofongo. Bon appetit. Okay, now our plantain lasagna is done. I told you 15 minutes, but you can put it when you see, until you see the crispy edges, like it's about 20 at 400. It's very cheesy. Very nice. See how cheesy it is? You can put it right in the plate. This is our 2 dishes for the day. Bon appetit. Okay, you see I'm peeling the plantains. Okay, I will show you how to do it. See how easy to make it is? And watch what I'm gonna put it where? Where? I'm gonna put it in my drawer. Okay, somebody asked me if I put my plantain peels in my drawer, but this is actually the garbage.